Hey, welcome back to the Fun Our Life channel. Today we're exploring the center of Madrid, about to walk to the Royal Palace. Come along with us. It's just been raining for like the past 2 hours. Super cold. And then a nice surprise as the sun has come out and now you feel the heat. It's perfect spring weather after a day that was, it was not very nice at all. It was freezing cold, lots of rain. So up here is one of the basilicas. Beautiful church. We're gonna hang a right up here, and that should take us to the Royal Palace. So far we've been thoroughly impressed with this city. It's our second time here. The first time here, we explored the whole city in less than maybe 9 hours or something. We had a stopover and we had to take full advantage of our limited time. So we walked the whole city. We probably got in more than 25,000 steps that day, but we saw everything. Today, or this time around, taking things a lot slower, which is it's much nicer to enjoy the city this way. Never fun when you're traveling to feel super rushed or to have too much on the itinerary, I find. Love going at our own pace, exploring whatever calls our name. That's what we did yesterday. That's what we're doing again here today. And this is the perfect walking city to do that. You can take any turn and it's interesting. It's one of those cities. Doesn't really matter where you walk. There are things to see. And if you take the main routes, you're bound to run into the major attractions, even without planning for them. Yes. Yes. I feel good actually. I don't know why. But no, yesterday we walked a lot. I did not check the step counter, but we did walk a lot. And then today, again, we've done tons of walking. Yeah, surprisingly, I'm not tired, but hey, maybe it's the excitement of being in a new city. We can catch our first glimpse here of the Royal Palace. Incredible view of the city on this side. But if I remember correctly, we're gonna get a better view when we get into the palace area. You can see this is such an aesthetic city. Everywhere we've been to multiple neighborhoods, ridden the subway, the metro quite a bit while we're here. Very well organized, very clean city. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to exploring Spain more in the near future because I loved Barcelona when I was there. I know that's a tourist favorite, especially digital nomads, but it's another beautiful city. And you have the bonus of having the beaches, the ocean there as well. But yeah, wow, Madrid too. It's very impressive. So I'm definitely excited to go go explore more of the countryside, more of the coast of Spain, some of the lesser known cities. We're having little memories of the city as we walk. Every few blocks there's another. Oh wow, we were here. Maybe it was better to cross, but actually we can go up here. That's a sight to behold, yes. I'm starting to remember there were more like parks on this side. Yeah. This is a massive area. Now I remember. We walked far down there and there's the park with all the birds. Park de la siesta. No. No, no dormiste, solo descansaste los ojos. No, that was the stopover day when we didn't sleep, and she was the one pushing for it. Like, no, we gotta take advantage. Let's go see the city.
Aprovechamos.
We wound up the day here, and I caught her snoozing in the park on a bench.
Y me levanto y yo, ¿dónde está? Y no estabas.
Whoops. Yeah. You were maybe super sleepy at that point. I don't even know if you wanted to walk up to this area. You had energy. I walked here alone maybe. So this is where you can actually enter the Palacio Real. We're just gonna go take a look on the outside, check out the cathedral here. Okay. Yeah, we'll get a good view of the city from out here. Looks like the wind is picking up again, but I'm just happy the sun is back out. at least this side of the city. That way. There's a really nice park at the top, which maybe we'll visit after this. Yeah, one of my best memories was seeing the sunset up in that park when we walked down. That's a beautiful walk along that path as well. Now, Europe is a walker's paradise. If you like walking, come to any major city in Europe. No plans, get off at a metro station, get off at a bus station, and just walk.
Traer buenos zapatos.
Yeah, good comfortable walking shoes and you're good to go. Dress in layers. Gets a bit hot. When you walk a lot, you actually heat up quite a bit. So yeah, layers, options, and yeah, just walk around and explore. Take it all in. Way to see a city, in my opinion. Like those tour buses, you're just getting fed information from the guides that you're not going to remember. The best way is just to walk the streets, take in all the sights and sounds, try to communicate with the people, try the different foods, get away from those tourist zones if possible, take random turns, explore green areas on the map.
Es muy amazing cuando encuentras un lugar que no planeaste.
Yes, exactly. Like when you don't plan and you just find a place that you just love.
En un tour ya sabes qué vas a ver. Es como así es.
Yeah, it's like a checklist of items, which is not a terrible way to see a city, but there are better ways. I just hate that feeling of being guided around and not having the freedom to walk where I want. Here we are in the gardens in front of the palace. This for me is the best spot in this whole area. The statues. A whole row of them here. And everything is so clean, so well organized. And I love the type of the trees here. Incredible. In the back, there's a really nice gardens as well. You have to walk almost to the bridge on the far side. And you can walk back behind the palace. Some really unique trees back there as well. We've lucked out, the sun is back all day. Rain and then sun, and rain and then sun. And when it's been raining, it's been really cold. Really cold. Now is perfect. Seems to be something happening out here. Can we go check it out? So what we can do is we can make a loop around. Yeah, the trees kind of remind me of like Versailles vibes in Paris or in France. And if we walk far enough up here, we'll find a park where you took a little siestica.
Fucky.
Do you remember? Yeah, it's right up here. Vamos a ver. Another row of statues here on both sides. We'll do a loop around and then we'll go see what's happening in front of the palace there. Yeah, it was right here where it all hit. It was. I'll show you the exact bench.
Exactamente en la silla de allá.
No, la silla de aquí.
Oh, wow, qué buena memoria.
Yeah, it was right. I believe it was the third bench, but it could have been the second one. But it was one of these two. No, but this is the best place if you're gonna do it because it's so quiet. There's hardly anyone here. Relaxing a little bit away from the crowds. Out of the sun. Good spot for a little rest. Especially after walking all day. Especially after you don't sleep. Yeah, last time we walked down, there's a path that goes all the way down here and it connects to this nice well, I guess the path just keeps continuing, but yeah, there are little cafes along the way. And if you circle around enough, there's like a nice park up on a hill. I don't know if we're gonna make it there today or not. We'll see how we feel after this. Live show, street performers.
One more time, give us an applause. Thank you. Pero ya te lo tengo repetido, dame otro. Thank you very much. Amazing. Do you like the applause? Okay, if you give me 10 more, they still applaud for you. Sure. Okay. Thank you. ¿Ustedes? ¡Oh! ¡Nápoles! ¡Fuerte aplauso para Nápoles!
But yeah, guys, that's our walk here in Madrid today. We're out of here tomorrow. Sad to leave this amazing city, but hey, Panama's calling. See you guys next time. Thanks for walking along with us.